In this video, I'll talk about how to do dotted notes, tied notes, kind of some more irregular lengths of notes. Dotted notes are easy enough to figure out. It's all up here in your different note values. So I'm going to click Note Entry. Let's say I want to enter a dotted half note. I would click on the half note. I'd click on the single dot. There's also a double dot. You don't want that one. So half note, dot, and then you enter it. If I wanted to do a dotted quarter note, click the quarter note plus the dot, type it in, and dotted eighth note, same thing. Now dotted eighth notes, they will beam to your 16th note next to it. So really it's just a matter of selecting the correct thing. Now if we're talking about tying notes together, that is slightly more complicated. Right here in your note value bar is the tie. And there really isn't another way to do it other than you have to be going along entering notes like this. Let's say I want to tie a quarter note to this 16th note here. You have to enter your 16th note, click on the quarter note or whatever it is that you want to tie to the note you just typed, and click the tie button. And that's the best way I know how to do it. So you can tie across measures this way. If you need to tie a whole bunch of whole notes together, whole note, type it in, tie, 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 and then whatever you need to tie it to. So sometimes you can get these real complicated rhythms, lots of syncopation and stuff like that, where we have a 16th note tied to an 8th note, and another 8th note tied to another 8th note, and something along those lines. You just have to be really careful about the way that you put it in.